Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So in my today's video, I'm going to talk about Tresemme Deep Conditioning Hair Mask. So I have made one of my video few months ago and I gave my review on Tresemme Hair Mask, and a lot of people have so many questions, so many confusion. So in this video, I'm going to particularly answer on those questions, and I'm going to give you some more points so that things can be more clear to you if you're looking to buy this Tresemme hair mask. Okay, apart from that, I would like to give you a review of another mask which I have recently started using few months back. Basically I have switched over to this another mask, and I'll tell you why I switched over to this mask from Tresemme hair mask. This video is meant for two people. First, who have keratin treated hair or who go for frequent rebonding or smoothing or any sort of chemical process on their hair, and secondly for the people who have dry, damaged and frizzy hair problem. In case if you have not watched my previous video on Tresemme hair mask review, I would request you to go and watch that. I would leave the link in my description box below. So without further ado, let's get started. So the first I'm going to talk about Tresemme deep conditioning hair mask. I was a very long-term user of this mask until I switched over to another mask. So people have so many questions on that, like can we apply that mask on curly hair? Should we apply that mask on our roots, or will this mask straighten our hair? So let me be very clear to you, this mask will not straighten your hair. In fact, I don't find any mask available in the market who can actually straighten your hair. And also it doesn't matter what kind of hair you have, whether you have curly hair or a straight hair, this hair mask will work on any kind of hair. Okay, and the third, can we apply on hair roots? A big no. You should not apply hair mask on your roots unless if it's specially designed to be applied on your scalp. I have always been mentioning that if you're a very frequent user of chemical process on your hair, or you use frequent heating tools on your hair, then you should definitely add hair mask in your hair care routine, because after chemical treatment your hair needs extra care, right? I also had rebonded hair a few years ago, and first I was using L'Oreal hair mask, then I switched over to Schwarzkopf mask, but none of them actually worked on my hair. So I found this Tresemme hair mask and it worked amazing on my hair, and that is when I recommended you guys to use this hair mask. I was using this hair mask since very long. This mask has so many essential oil, it has argan oil, it has marula oil and other beneficial oil. If you have keratin treated hair, then this Tresemme hair mask would be ideal for your hair. Go for it without thinking twice. It's my personal experience. I have never got any complaints after using this product. This one is not sponsored by Tresemme, so you can go ahead, you can check the reviews also of this mask online, and I have never seen any people who have problem with this hair mask. And after keratin treatment or other chemical process, our hair become very prone to dryness or frizziness. So in that case, we should be very careful while choosing hair care products. So all these big brands, L'Oreal, Schwarzkopf, and I think Wella also I used, but none of them worked for me. But Tresemme worked very well for me. So if you're looking for a good hair mask and you have chemically treated hair, go for this mask and you would not have any complaints. Okay, so now I'm going to talk about my another favorite mask, which is
Himalayan Organics Aloe Vera Mask.
I have been using this mask since 3 months. I'm no more finding Tresemme mask available in the market. You can see on Amazon or Flipkart, whenever I go to buy that product, it always says unavailable, out of stock. So I don't know what's the issue. People are using it extensively, or I don't know, there's less supply of this product. So I had to find another mask, and then that's when I found out this mask, and I think this one is my favorite now. So the reason, I'm gonna tell you why. First of all, this mask is completely paraben and sulfate free, and it's completely organic. What are paraben and sulfate? You might have seen that there are a lot of products being launched in the market and they say that it's paraben and sulfate free. These are basically preservatives which are added in these beauty products just to enhance its shelf life, but these are not good for your hair. and that is why most of the people have been switching over to organic products who are like very concerned for their skin, for their hair, and I'm one of them. So this one attracted me because it's completely organic. And one more thing, let me tell you guys, I said that be very careful, while choosing your hair care products. Always check the ingredients and always check the products which are paraben and sulfate free. Let's talk about sulfate, guys. Sulfate is very drying for your hair. If you have like colored hair, sulfate can easily fade away your hair color, so it's not at all good for you. And this mask is like Himalayan Organics one. It's totally safe. It's completely natural. It's all the ingredients are like plant derived, so that is what attracted me about this product. And not only that, it's actually working on my hair. And since 3 months I'm using this product and I did not have any complaints, to be very honest with you guys. So both of these masks are my favorite. They are as equally good as each other. These masks are like boon to our hair. So now let's talk about which one should you choose. If you have chemically treated hair, if you have keratin treatment or other rebonding or smoothing on your hair, then I would recommend you to go for TRESemmé hair mask. And if you have you don't go for much chemical process on your hair, or you have dry or frizzy hair problem, and also if you go for coloring, then go for Himalayan Organic hair mask. Why? As I mentioned that Himalayan Organic is completely organic and it doesn't have any sulfate, so it would not strip away any color from your hair. And TRESemmé also, I'm not very sure, because it's said that in TRESemmé products there are up to a bit of these chemicals are used, but I did not find any concern on my hair because of that. That is why I'm saying that if you have color treated hair, go for Himalayan Organics. And if you have like keratin processed hair or any other sort of rebonding or smoothing, then you can choose TRESemmé mask. It's completely safe. It's based on my personal experience. So none of these two products are sponsored. I'm telling you guys with my personal experience. Both are equally good. Both are amazing. They work amazingly on your hair. You can choose any of these masks. And as I said, TRESemmé hair mask availability is a challenge. So those who also use TRESemmé hair mask and they are not finding it available like me, then you can choose Himalayan Organic mask, and I'm sure you are gonna love this mask.
Alright, let me quickly tell you how to apply this mask. I have shampooed my hair and I'm going to apply this mask on my hair length away from my hair roots, and I'll keep this mask on for around 10 to 15 minutes. Alright, I have washed my hair and I can actually feel the difference. I'm touching my hair and it feels so lighter and is smoother. Let me comb a little bit so that I can show you how smoothly my comb is sliding on my hair and it's so tangle free.
That's all for my today's video, guys, and I would love to know if you guys also use any sort of other hair mask and working well on your hair. Then I would love to know which hair mask you use and recommend. That's all for my today's video, guys. I hope you might have got some useful information out of it. If yes, then please do like and share my video and subscribe to my channel. So I'll see you guys in my next video now. Till then, bye and take care.